Well, what sets this shop apart from the other shops I've dealt with is I have a close relationship with Dave, and I can discuss things back and forth. We have a wonderful dialogue, and when you have an altered automobile and you have work on an altered automobile, you have to have a personal dialogue. You can't just let the functionaries run wild putting a thing together. Hot rod is a personal thing, and you have to discuss it. In fact, all the service I've got out of Galpin in their speed shop and hot rod fabrication plant, I've been very, very happy with.